combination of instinct born from, you know, the visuals, really, everything you feed back into that, but also it's a way of reacting in sound to different sorts of narrative, really, and then creating your own narrative in the music. That's fun. And it's been fun to see how you can work against picture and then with it. I'm very interested in stories and people moving in space and time, so it's been fantastic. This has been a fantastic afternoon. I think it's a wonderful festival because we're seeing all these gems and all these creative spirits in women artists that, you know, too many of them have been forgotten. It's quite moving, actually. And just seeing the talent and imagination.
We composed the backing track first, which was the sine tones that changed every time there was a new shot, a new camera shot. And then we got together and devised a live part over the top.
Yeah.
That was the process, yeah, it was great. It's a good film for that because it's quite abstract. So there's not too much pressure to sort of underpin the story, I think.
Yeah, you can actually make it musically work, I guess.
Yeah. Putting our stamp on something that's already incredibly distinctive as a genre, and we just sort of put our own mark on top of that. So.
You have to watch the film over and over and over again to know the changes. Yeah, I think it would have been quite foreign if I hadn't practiced a lot to the film before. So yeah, it was good to see it on the big screen. I think we all were quite different, really. Camberwell very sort of percussive and kind of went along with the whole weirdness of that film. Dulac was, again, it was more acoustic but sort of lyrical, and yeah, that was good. Yeah, so I didn't realise that a very small percentage are women directors. Stuck with technical things, and maybe that's a girly thing, I don't know. I think it's a boy-y thing to like to be a geek. I'd like to be